Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to get developer options back on your Fire TV stick.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
A lot of you, when you go into your settings and then My Fire TV, you're no longer seeing those developer options, which means you can't install third-party apps anymore. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get back those developer options so you can access unknown sources and ADB debugging, folks. Right, so with that being said, let's get started. On your Fire TV device, no matter what device you're using, if you can't see developer options when you go to settings, My Fire TV, and as you can see on mine, there folks, and I've already enabled them, and I've accidentally not used the stick in the week check for updates. There was an update available. I downloaded the update expecting the developer options to go, but if I press back, then they are, folks. So I already enabled these, so chances are, if you already had them enabled, it's likely your developer options are still there. But if you had them off and then you went into about updates, you installed the latest update, you sign to access those developer options, and they're not there, folks. So how do you get them back? So simply go into about in the My Fire TV section, click on your Fire TV model 7 times till it says you're a developer. So if I push back, and then as you can see, developer options, and I can enable them, folks. Okay, so I just went on the Fire TV cube, and just for curiosity, I'm going into the settings, My Fire TV, and look, the developer options are not enabled on my Fire TV cube. So if I head to about, click on the model 7 times till it says you're already a developer, push back, and then that are, folks. So that's how easy it is to get back those developer options on your Fire TV device. It's coming to all devices, folks, so whether you're using a stick, a cube, or a TV, I hope this helped you out. If it did, please make sure to
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
Hey guys, until next time, bye.